The average American household spent $78,233 on consumer expenditures in 2024, a 5.1% increase from the previous year. Meanwhile, wages only grew by 3.8%. Spending is rising faster than income, and that gap keeps widening every year. Inflation is only part of the story. Corporate pricing strategies, endless subscriptions, hidden fees, and shrinking product value have completely changed the game. Many things that felt like normal purchases just a few years ago have quietly turned into expensive traps. Here are 12 things that are no longer worth it in 2026. Some are obvious, others might surprise you, but all of them are quietly draining your bank account. 1. Food delivery apps, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub. These apps have made ordering food incredibly easy, but the economics are brutal. Restaurants pay 15 to 30% commission, which gets passed on to you through higher menu prices, often 25% more than in-store. Then come delivery fees, service fees, small order fees, tips, and surge pricing. A $12 meal can easily turn into $22, $25. Ordering delivery twice a week at a $15 premium costs you over $1,500 extra per year. That money, invested at 8% for 20 years, could grow into serious wealth. Occasional use is fine. Making it a habit is just transferring your money to shareholders. 2. Brand new cars. Drive a new car off the lot and it loses 20 to 30% of its value in the first year. On a $48,000 average new car, that's $10,000 to $14,000 gone instantly. Financing makes it worse. Many buyers end up underwater, owing more than the car is worth, right away. Smart move. Buy a reliable 4 to 5-year-old Toyota, Honda, or similar. The biggest depreciation has already happened. Major repairs are usually still years away, and you can often sell it later for close to what you paid. Cash buyers eliminate massive monthly payments and redirect that money toward real wealth. 3. Sit-down restaurants. Restaurant prices have jumped 35% since 2019. A casual dinner for one can easily hit $40, $50, while a couple can spend $100, $140 with drinks. Portions have shrunk and service hasn't improved. The worst markup? Drinks. A $14 cocktail costs the restaurant around $2. You can cook a better, healthier meal at home in 30 minutes for a fraction of the price. Occasional celebrations are fine, but weekly restaurant habits have become financially irrational for most people. 4. Multiple streaming subscriptions. Netflix, $15.49. Disney Plus, Hulu, Max, Prime, Apple TV Plus, Peacock, Paramount Plus. Subscribing to everything now costs well over $100 per month. That's more than old cable bills. The platforms intentionally spread content, so you're forced to subscribe to many. Best solution: rotate. Subscribe to 1 or 2 at a time. Watch everything you want, then cancel and switch. You can enjoy all the content for $12, $20 per month instead of $70, $100 plus. 5. Fast food. A McDonald's meal now costs $12, $15 in most places. Fast food prices have risen 55% since 2019. What used to be cheap and convenient is now just overpriced junk food. For the same $12, $15, you can make a real meal at home with actual ingredients in 15 to 20 minutes. The regular fast food habit costs $3,000 to $5,000 plus per year while harming your health. 8. Luxury travel. Flights are 30 to 40% more expensive than pre-2020. A family Disney trip can cost $8,000 to $10,000. Many people who can't afford a $1,000 emergency are funding vacations on credit cards. Travel is great, but only within your means. Road trips, smart bookings, and budget-friendly options can deliver most of the experience without the financial hangover. 9. Buy now, pay later. BNPL services. Klarna, Afterpay, Affirm. These services make small purchases feel painless by splitting them into installments. As a result, people spend 10 to 40% more than they would otherwise and often miss payments with late fees. Rule of thumb: if you can't pay cash, you probably can't afford it. Financing hoodies, makeup, or kitchen gadgets is how companies profit from your impulse buys. 10. Branded and designer products. Name brand detergent, cereal, medicine, and snacks cost significantly more, often for the exact same product made in the same factory. Store brands regularly match or beat name brands in blind tests. Designer clothes are even worse. You're mostly paying for a logo and marketing. Switching to generic/store brands can save $1,500 to $2,500 plus per year with zero loss in quality. 11. Subscription boxes. Makeup, snacks, clothes, dog toys, razors, the list goes on. Most boxes cost $25.50/month, but the items inside are worth less at retail. They rely on surprise, FOMO, and hard-to-cancel subscriptions. If you want something, buy it directly. Subscription boxes are entertainment, not smart shopping, and expensive entertainment at that. 12. Daily premium coffee drinks. A Starbucks latte costs $7.9. At home, the same quality coffee costs 25 to 50 cents. A daily $6.7 habit adds up to over $2,000 per year. Over 30 years at 8% return, that single habit could cost you $250,000. Enjoy coffee shops occasionally, but don't let it become an unconscious daily expense.